Hi everyone, this is Sheila Sapan Matre, and today I'm going to share with all of you a very interesting ritual for New Year. In this ritual, we are going to use Lord Ganesha for, as he's a lot of new beginnings. We're going to use Archangel Raphael for healing, Archangel Shambil for love, Goddess Fortuna for good fortune and finances, and Goddess Kwani. Okay, you will also require a part. See, this particular deities are optional. If you do not have these figurines, it's completely okay. You can also use pictures that you can download from the internet. So it's, you can use any, you can work with any deity, god, goddesses that you are comfortable with. You'll also require 12 tea light candles representing 12 months of the year 2018. All right, you can also use colored candles if in case if you do not want to use tea light candles, that's optional. So for colored candles you can use white for connecting with the divine or any other issue that you want to. You can use orange candle for good luck, gold for prosperity, purple for spiritual growth, pink for love, and green for healing. Okay, so these are optional. In case if you're using colored candles, you can use two of each color, but white tea light candles will do as well. So as you can see, the tea light candles are arranged in a triangular shape. So this is how you'll have to arrange the tea light candles. So once you have arranged the tea light candles, it will look like this. All right. Once you have done this, you will require pen, paper, and a box, or maybe you can also use an envelope as and what you get. So first write down what you want 2018 to give you on a piece of paper. We'll be concentrating only on 5 issues as such. So first is health, wherein you can write, please God bless me and my family with good health. Please bless my body in such a way that I'm always my ideal body weight comfortably and naturally. You can also write that I'm always fit and fine and healthy. In finances, you can write, please God, Goddess, bless me with, mention the amount that you want to manifest in 2018 or more. In case of love, if you're already married, you can write, bless me and my husband with a happy, successful, loving marriage with each other now and forever. Mentioning with each other is very important. In case if you're single, you can just write, please bless me with a happy, successful, loving marriage now and forever. Also, please write to the divine to help you to love yourself truly and unconditionally, as that's extremely important. In case if you have children, you can just write, please God, Goddess, and Archangels, bless my and my husband's children with healthy, long, successful, loving lives. Let us love them truly and unconditionally, and let them love us truly and unconditionally now and forever. In case if you do not have children and if you wish to have children, you can just write, please God, Goddess, and Archangels, bless me and my husband with healthy, long, with children having healthy, long, successful, loving lives, and then the rest. The 5th wish, let it be open. Anything that you really want to manifest, or you're ready to manifest, you mention that particular wish. So that's why we kept the 5th for other wishes. All right, but please do not write, I want to be loan free, because then you're manifesting loan, which you obviously do not want. Okay, or please do not write that help me to get healed from cancer or from a particular ailment, because then you're manifesting the ailment as well. Just mentioning please bless me with a healthy body is more than enough. So once you have written the wish, you will light this 12 tea light candles. So here I have lit all the 12 candles. Can you see this? As I always say, please be careful of fire. Do not leave the candles unattended, or do not, if you have children, please be more careful. So the wishes that I had written, I have kept it in this box. You can also keep it in an envelope if you feel like, whatever is comfortable to you. And I'm placing this box in between these candles. Okay, like this. If you have an envelope, then make the candles a little bit further away from each other. Let this burn completely, the candles. Once the candles are completely burned, you can keep this wishes that you have written in an envelope on the altar, and at the end of the year you can just burn it safely, or you can even tear it. It's completely all right. And this remains of the candles, you can just throw it. All right, this ritual has to be done once a year, or if you want, you can repeat it after 6 months as well. You can do this ritual in the first 15 days of the first month, that is January 2018, or whichever year you are in. You can do this ritual within the first 15 days of the year. So this ritual is pretty simple. You can do it at any time of the day as per your convenience, and it's very simple. You need just 12 tea light candles and paper, pen, and an envelope or a box. Deities, it's up to you which deities you resonate with. You can use them or to work with. So this is a simple New Year ritual. I want to wish you all an extremely prosperous and a happy New Year. Take care, all of you, and have a great day ahead.